So hello, the topic today is about the integral of using the power formula. So the integral of u raised to n du when the exponent is n, always plus 1, n plus 1, and add the arbitrary constants, the constant of integration, which is the plus c, when n is not equal to 0. So next, first problem, the integral of 4 dx. So since the constant is 4, ilalabas, then integrate of the dx. Then the integral of x equals to 4 of x plus always the arbitrary constant, which is plus c. And eto na yung final answer, guys. Gets 4x plus c. Use the plus c when the integration is an indefinite integrals. Walang upper limit and walang lower limit. Gets. Next, the integral of 3x squared minus 4x cubed dx. First, integrate them one by one. 3x squared dx minus 4, the integral of x cubed dx. Next, ilalabas niyan yung mga constant, which is the 3x squared dx minus 4, then x cubed of dx. Gets. Next, 3, then palitan na ng bracket sign, which is the x squared, always plus 1, all over 2 plus 1. Copy the exponent, guys. Minus 4, the x 3 plus 1, which is the power formula, 3 plus 1, plus c. Next is that 3 plus 3 ay 2 plus 1, 3. So this will be cancel and cancel. So natira is x cubed. 2 plus 1 is x cubed minus 3 plus 1 is 4. Cancel ang 4, cancel. So this will be equals to x raised to 4 plus c. So this will be our final answer, guys. Gets. So next, so hello, number 3. So the integral of cosine 2x dx equals 2 all over sa 1 plus sine 2x raised to 4. So since our u is equals to, pipiliin natin tong letter u as 1 plus sine 2x. Then the derivative of this is equals to what? 2x. Yan. Then the derivative of du, the derivative of du is equals to, may 2 yan dito, the derivative of this is equals to cosine of 2x dx. Next, the integral of, so since yung u natin is 1 plus sine 2x, ito yung letter u na yan, and this will be equals to what? Du. Gets. So the du, replace lang natin. So u, ito yung u natin, raised to 4 is equals daw sa integral of, gawin nating negative exponent, u raised to negative 4 of du. Gets. So from the loss of exponent, nasa denominator aangat, mapupunta siya sa negative exponent. Next, the integral of u raised to negative 4 plus 1 all over negative 4 plus 1 plus c. So since may negative siya, guys, so magiging negative 1 over 3 of u raised to negative 3 plus c. So negative 1, then 3, and then may negative exponent siya, ibababa natin, magiging positive plus c. Gets. Next, negative of 1 all over 3. Ano yung value ng u natin? U is equals to what? 1 plus sine 2x. So this will be equals to 1 plus sine of 2x raised to 3 plus c. Yan. Gets. So this will be our final answer. So pipili tayo ng letter u natin. Kapag ni letter u natin itong tangent, ang mangyayari is ang derivative ng u natin, which is the tangent, is secant squared x. So ito yung magiging u natin. So u is equals to tangent of x. the derivative of this is secant squared of x dx. So since this will be our du and this will be our u, so the integral of u du. So from the power formula, u1 plus 1 all over 1 plus 1 plus c. So 1 half of u squared plus c. So the 1 half, ang u natin is tangent. So tangent squared of x plus c. So this will be our final answer. Gets? So next, number 5. So since yung u natin ito, ang u natin is 1 plus e raised to negative 2y, and derivative of this is equals to, derivative of 1 is equals to 0. Huwag na natin lagay. Then derivative of eu, deu is equals to the derivative of u with respect to u, du. So eu, anong eu natin? Copy the e, and then u natin is negative 2y, and yung du natin, which is the u, the derivative of negative 2y is equals to negative 2 then dy. Gets? So kung mapapansin nyo guys, is etong kalahati is nandito siya, pero wala siyang number 2, wala siyang 2 doon. So gagawin natin is divide both sides by negative 2, cancel cancel. So ang matitira is negative of du all over 2 is equals to e raised to negative 2y dy. So next, the integral, since this will be our u, eto yun, and then this will be our du. So the integral of u natin, ito, u raised to what? 1 half, and e raised to negative 2y dy, ito, tsaka ito, is equals daw siya sa negative 2 du all over 2. So, since negative siya, tas may constant, so lalabas natin negative of 1 half, negative of 1 half of the integral of u raised to 1 half du. So, negative 1 half of u raised to 1 half plus 1, 1 half plus 1 plus c. So, 1 half plus 1 is 3 all over 2. 1 half plus 1 is equals to 3 all over 2. So, negative 1 half divide daw sa 3 over 2. So, negative 1 half divide sa 3 all over 2. So, kung dinivide natin yan, magiging reciprocal. Negative 1 half times of 2 all over 3. So, this will be equals to 2 all over 6 or 1 all over 3. So, may negative siya. Copy the negative, negative 1 all over 3 plus c. So, since the negative 1 all over 3, ano yung u natin? U. The value of u is equals to 1 plus e raised to negative 2y. 1 plus e raised to negative 2y of 3 all over 2 plus c. So, this will be our final answer. Gets? So, hello. For the problem number 6. So, ang u natin dito is equals to 3 plus 4 secant of x. And then, the derivative of this is equals to what? Du. The derivative of 4 secant of x equals to 4 secant of x tangent of x dx. So, since nandito siya sa equation, yung kamukha nito, kaso wala pa siyang 4 dito, gagawin is what? Para maging parehas sila is divide both sides by 4. So, cancel, cancel. Gets? Oh, next. The du all over 4 is equals to secant of x tangent of x dx. Gets? So, next is that the integral of du all over 4 all over u raised to 1 half. So, since this will be equals to u and this will be equals to what? Du all over 4. Gets? So, next is that the integral of, since 1/4, ilalabas natin yan yung 1/4 of du u raised to negative 1/2. Then 1/4 of u, so wait, this will be a positive 1/2. Sorry. Yan. U raised to positive 1/2 of dito na siya magiging negative. Kasi binaligtad ko na siya. The loss of exponent, guys. Gets? So, next naman is 1 all over 4 of u raised to negative 1/2 plus 1. Negative 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So, u raised to negative 1/2, eto, this will be equals to what? U raised to 1/2. And this one, 1/4, divide mo siya sa negative 1/2 plus 1. Gets? So, 1 all over 4, divide by 1/2. So, this will be equals to what? 1/2 of u raised to 1/2 plus c. So, 1/2 of u, ano yung value ng u natin? So, tingnan natin sa taas. Ang u natin is what? 3 plus 4 secant of x. 3 plus 4 secant of x. 3 plus 4 secant of x raised to 1/2 plus c. So, this will be our final answer, guys. Gets? So, gets ba? Okay, next. Next, for the number 7, integral of tangent of x dx all over 1 plus ln of cosine of x 3 all over 2. So, yung u natin dito is 1 plus ln of cosine of x, and the derivative of this is equals to, so since the derivative of 0 is equals to, derivative of 1 is equals to 0, plus the derivative of ln of cosine of x, diba yung formula niyan, ln u is equals to du all over u. So yung u natin dito niyan is cosine x. Then the derivative of cosine of x is equals to negative sine of x, and this will be equals to negative tangent of x. Negative tangent of x. Gets? So, this is in quotient identities. Negative sine all over cosine is equals to tangent. Then, may negative, copy the negative, so negative tangent of x. Gets? Negative tangent of x dx. So, magiging tangent niyan to. Ito, yan. Magiging minus tangent of x. So, the derivative of u is equals to negative tangent of x dx. So, since eto, tsaka to magkamuka, wala nga lang negative sign. Wala siya negative sign. So, ang mangyayari niyan is divide both sides by negative. Negative 1, negative 1. So, this will be cancel. So, magiging negative of du is equals to tangent of x dx. Gets? So, the integral of this will be equals to what? Negative du. So, yung negative labas ko na. All over, this will be equals to what? U. So, ito yun, U. And what is the exponent is 3 all over 2. Next. Baba. Negative of the integral of u raised to negative 3 all over 2 du. So, from the loss of exponent. Gets nyo na yun. Next. Negative of u raised to negative 3 all over 2 plus 1. Negative 3 over 2 plus 1. And plus c. Gets? So, the negative 3 all over 2 plus 1 is equals to negative 1/2. Negative 1/2 to. Then, pag ni-reciprocal natin yan, magiging negative 2. So, magiging negative 2 na yan. So, negative 2, multiply din siya sa negative na eto. Gets? So, this will be equals to positive 2. Positive 2 of u raised to negative 1/2 plus c. Gets? So, 2 all over u raised to 1/2 plus c. Gets guys? So from the loss of exponent, binaba ko magiging positive 2. Then what is the value of u? 1 plus ln of cosine of x. So 1 plus ln of cosine of x of 1/2 plus c. So therefore, this will be the final answer for that problem. Gets? So for the next problem is the x square root of x minus 1 dx, the integral of this. So first x, then from the loss of exponent, this will be equals to 1/2 plus dx. So ito is equals to 1/2 guys. So x equals to 2, may invisible na 1, x raised to 1/2. Gets? Next, the integral of distribute this and this. So this will be equals to x3 all over 2 minus x d of x. Gets? So next, integrate them one by one. 3 all over 2 dx minus the integral of x dx. So x 3 all over 2 plus 1, 3 all over 2 plus 1 minus x 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 plus c. So 3 all over 2 plus 1 is equals to what? 5 over 2. So this will be equals to what? 5 all over 2. So x 5 all over 2. And eto guys, 5 over 2 siya sa baba. So pag nireciprocal natin yan, magiging 2 all over 5 minus 1/2 of x squared plus c. Gets guys? So this will be our final answer. Gets? So okay, next, so the integral of x cubed plus 2x raised to 5, 6x squared plus 4. Okay, so the integral of, so before natin i-integrate guys, as you can see, na yung u natin pipiliin dyan is u x cubed plus 2x. Then the derivative of this is equals to 3x squared plus 2 dx. Kung eto mapapansin nyo guys, eto is wala siya sa mga dito. Gets? Pero kung eto guys, papansinin nyo, kung magpa-factor out ako ng 2 dito, magiging siyang kamukha dito. Gets guys? So, ganyan yung gagawin natin. So, first is that the integral of x cubed plus 2x raised to 5 of 3 of 3x squared plus 2 dx. So the 2, ito yung mga finactor ko. Gets? So next, the integral of this will be equals to what? U with raised to 5 and 2, yung 2, ito guys, yung 2 lagay na natin sa harap. Then this will be equals to what? Du. So du. Gets? O next, ayaw bumaba. O yan, next, the integral of yung 2 labas na natin, which is the constants u and du. So this will be equals to 2 u raised to 5 plus 1, 5 plus 1 plus c. So since 2 add mo to is equals to 6 all over 6 u raised to 6 plus c. So 2, so the lowest term of this is equals to what? 1 over 3 u raised to 6 plus c. Gets? So 1 all over 3, ano yung u natin? Value of u dito, natin value of u is x cubed plus 2, x cubed plus 2, x cubed plus 2, 2x, x cubed plus 2x is equals to 6 plus c. So this will be our final answer. Gets? The integral of square root of 1 plus 2 sine 3x cosine of 3x dx. So first, the u is 1 plus 2 sine of 3x. While the derivative of this, the derivative of u is equals to 6 cosine of 3x dx. So, since wala siyang 6 dito, wala siya, gagawin natin is divide both sides by 6. Cancel, cancel. So, yung natira is du all over 6 equals to cosine of 3x dx. Gets? So, next, the integral of square root of u. So, this will be equals to u. Ito yun. Then, ito is equals daw siya sa du all over 6. So, 1 all over 6, the integral of u raised to 1/2 du. Gets? So, 1 all over 6, then u raised to 1/2 plus 1, 1/2 plus 1 plus c. So, 1/2 plus 1, this will be equals to 3 all over 2. So, eto muna yung u, 3 all over 2. 1/2 plus 1 equals to 3 all over 2. So, 1 all over 6, divide mo sa 3 all over 2. 1 over 6 divide by 3 all over 2. And this will be equals to 1 all over 9 plus c. Gets? So, 1 all over 9, ano yung u natin? What's the value of u? 1 plus 2 sine 3x. Eto, 1 plus 2 sine 3x. 1 plus 2 sine of 3x, 3 all over 2 plus c. So, this will be our final answer. Gets? So, next, the integral of sine 2x dx all over 1 minus cosine 2x raised to 4. So, yung u natin dito is 1 minus cosine 2x. The derivative of u is equals to 2 sine of 2x dx. Kung mapapansin nyo na ito is kamukha niya na nito, kaso wala pa siyang 2. So, divide both sides by 2. Cancel, cancel. So, yung natira is du all over 2 is equals to sine of 2x dx. Gets? So, ito is kamukha niya na to. And this one, this will be represent as u. And this will represent as du all over 2. Gets? Kumbaga, nagsasubstitute na lang tayo. So, du all over 2 all over u raised to 4. So, next is 1/2. Lalabas ko na tong 2. So, magiging siya 1/2. So, the du all over u raised to 4. So, next, 1/2 of u raised to negative 4 du. Gets? So, from the laws of exponent yun, kung bakit naging negative 4. Gets? So, 1/2 of the u raised to negative 4 plus 1, negative 4 plus 1, plus c. So, negative 4 plus 1 equals to negative 3. So, this will be equals to u raised to negative 3, negative 3 of 1/2 plus c. So, next, negative 3 times 2 is negative 1 over 6 u raised to negative 3 plus c. O, baba natin. Next, negative 1 all over 6 u raised to 3 plus c. Kung mapapansin nyo, naging positive exponent na siya. Gets? Kasi binaba ko na from the laws of exponent, guys. So, negative 1 all over 6. Ang u natin, what is the value of u? 1 minus cosine 2x. So, palitan lang natin yung u natin ng 1 minus cosine of 2x raised to cube plus c. So, this will be our final answer. Gets? Next, so the integral of sine cube cosine of x dx. So, u natin dito is sine of x. While the derivative of u is equals to cosine of x dx. Mapapansin nyo, ito is kamukha niya na to. And this one, this will be our represents as u. And this will represent as du. So, the integral of u cube du. Sinubstitute ko lang. u, 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 plus c. So, this will be equals to u raised to 4. 1 all over 4 plus c. So, pwede rin siya maging u raised to 4 all over 4 plus c. So, what is the value of u? Is sine. Sine 4 of x all over 4 plus c. So, this will be our final answer, guys. Gets? The integral of x plus 4 all over square root of x dx. So, the integral of x square root of x. So, paghihiwalayin lang natin siya, guys. Square root of x dx. So, since that x over x raised to 1/2, ibig sabihin yan is x 1 minus 1/2 from the loss of exponent. Guys, gets? So, the integral of x raised to 1 minus 1/2 is equals to what? X raised to 1/2 plus 4, since the x 4 all over x raised to 1/2. Ito yun, guys. Ginawa ko lang siya ng exponent. Gets? So, this will be equals to 4x raised to negative 1/2. So, 4x raised to negative 1/2 of dx. Next, integrate them 1 by 1. X raised to 1/2 dx plus yung 4 labas ko na sa constant raised to negative 1/2 of dx. So, x raised to 1/2 plus 1, 1/2 plus 1 plus 4, then x raised to negative 1/2 plus 1, negative 1/2 plus 1 plus c. Gets? So, 1/2 plus 1 is equals to what? This will be equals to 3 all over 2. Then this one equals to what? 1/2. So, first, 3 all over 2. So, i-reciprocal natin yan, magiging 2 all over 3. Kabaliktaran niya lang, x, 3 all over 2. Pag plus mo niyan to. Gets? Plus 4. Ito, 4. Divide mo siya sa x raised to 1/2. 4 divided by 1/2 is equals to what? 8x raised to 1/2 plus c. So, gets, guys? So, the final answer is 2 all over 3, x raised to 3 all over 2, x raised to 1/2 plus c. Gets? So, hello. Next, the integral of tangent squared 3x minus 1 secant squared of 3x minus 1. Since the u is equals to tangent of 3x minus 1 lang. Then, the derivative of t is equals to 3 secant squared of 3x minus 1. Gets? So, since the 3 secant squared of x, wala siya, kulang lang siya ng 3. So, divide both sides by 3. So, du all over 3 is equals to secant squared of 3x minus 1 of dx. Gets? So, since yung ito is represents as u, and this will be represented as du all over 3. Gets? So, the integral of, baba natin, the integral of u squared du all over 3. Gets, guys? Sinubstitute ko lang. So, 1 all over 3 u squared of du. Nilabas ko na yung constant. So, 1 all over 3 of u raised to 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1 plus c. So, this will be equals to 3. 3 times 3 is 9. 1 all over 9 u cubed plus c. So, 1 all over 9, what is the value of u? Tangent of 3x minus 1. Tangent of 3x minus 1 cube plus c. So, or pwede rin siyang 1 over 9 tangent of 3 of 3x minus 1 plus c. Gets? So, for the last example, the integral of pi dy. So, yung pi is constant. So, since the value of pi is equals to 3.14. So, constant yan. So, pi ilabalabas, then the integral of dy is equals to y plus the arbitrary constant, the plus c. So, this will be the final answer. Gets? So, yun lang guys. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.